A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So, a lot is happening in the politics of Zimbabwe, and we need to come up each and every time talking about the new developments. Guys, there is this video which I want to show you without wasting much of your time. Let us get through this video.
Kubva mavanga vakombwa kuti vafe mwari vanokutenda. Vechipiri, vasamisa hakuna mumwe mutungamiri munyika muno achateerwa nevanhu zera rangu ini. Vese ava vana ndakateera vana ava kubva kare nenzira yaMwari. Vachamisa tinotenda zvavakaita. Imi mauya pano hatidzokere tinotaura kuti president variko atiregei kutaura zvimwe zvinhu vachataura.
So it's very important to understand what this old man had to say. Key issues. President Nelson Chamisa did good when he distanced himself from CCC. Why? Timu irada kumpondera msaga. If you listen to Tendabitu's audio, he clearly said anga achapera ega munhu. So it shows kuti these people, they had disagreements in terms of how they were supposed to execute this thing. We do not know. Pamwe vaida kumutosera. That is the reason why they didn't want these things to be moved as quick as possible. But a key issue was raised that President Nelson Chamisa is the only person the people of Zimbabwe are going to follow, the people of Zimbabwe are following, and it's a fact. I have seen so many people across Zimbabwe. I talked to a lot of people. People are believing in Advocate Nelson Chamisa like never before. Even people in areas where ZANU-PF won, they are starting to see. They're starting to have some conversations without fear. They're starting to actually give themselves time to reflect. Because the councillors are quiet, the MPs are nowhere to be found. And the people are facing the effects of drought, El Nino alone. No food aid is coming. No health care is coming. The education is in tatters. They are being forced to pay school fees, but when they were campaigning, they were being told free education next year. Right now, they're being told, but there are fees or else. So just imagine such kind of a government. And it doesn't care. Then you have Nelson Chamisa. And if you take a look on how these people are intimidating villagers each and every time, you wonder, what will be the moral standing of these people? So, Team Zimbabwe, I know a lot of people say otherwise, but these are critical wise words from the elders, words which we can never replace. We will never be able to replace these words. Nelson Chamisa is unstoppable. The wave, the cyclone blue which is coming, it's unstoppable. No matter how they will try to block it, no matter how they will try to stop it, they will never stop Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Deep down, I know he's connected into the masses. He does have roads. And if we are to talk about the power makers, it's a done and dusted issue. And if we are to talk about other critical components and elements within Zimbabwe who are necessary for President Nelson Chamisa to assume power, everyone is in agreement. That is a matter of fact. That is the reason why the regime is panicking. When you want to understand the power of the opposition, take a look on how the regime is eager to destroy it. From 2018 to this date, they have invested everything and anything to destroy him. Take a look on Wana Obet Gotu, Wana Priscilla. Take a look on all these people, Wana Lily and Timfias, all these people on Wakatuma Ambassador, how they flogged to ZANU-PF structures and facilities, just like that. simply because they are afraid of Advocate Nelson Chamisa and they know the implications. So at this moment in time, at this juncture, we have to agree that President Nelson Chamisa cannot be replaced Nana Tumbrati Gochevesa. It can't. This is a season, Yatiri, and you cannot force things to happen in otherwise. So for those who are saying Takazoita say, guys, God is not sleeping. This was a necessary defeat, because if we had gotten into power Nechkwatech, it was not going to be safe for us. But right now we've been vindicated, which means our victory must be reclaimed and we must now get into power. So President Nelson Chamisa was clear when he addressed the citizens. He was a very, very, very clear that there were no elections in Zimbabwe. Maybe I will need to replay that video once more.
Many people think that 2023 is done and dusted. Far from it. In fact, it has not yet been concluded. The election in Zimbabwe was not done properly.
So he clearly said that it has not been concluded. It's not done and dusted. And these are the things the elders are reiterating. When you listen to ZANU-PF propaganda, they know for sure that my meetings are and street point persons, village point persons. But they will tell you otherwise. They know for sure that these meetings were meant for just a few individuals, vari muma villages, vari muma streets, to attend. It was not a rally. It was not meant for everybody. And if you take a look on the masses which are coming out here and every day, and the message is clear, endai mundoudza vanhu. Entai mundoudza vanhu. That is the instruction of the old men. These are old men, my war veterans who are believing in Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Nelson Chamisa has proved to be a statesman. It's true. It's true. He has proved to be 100 times plus better than what we have at this moment in time. Against all odds, Nelson Chamisa is proving them otherwise. They will come and tell you, mutengesa ndadzosera kuvarungu, boom, vabatwa nemweya, vakuita ma-evictions. And you ask yourself, okay, ndo vanhu vaitaura kuti muchatamiswa kana mukavhotera opposition, ndo vakuchitamisa vanhu vaya. Who does that? Who does that? Ndo vanhu vari kudestroya ma-livelihoods evanhu, zvirimwa zviri mumunda, ma-tuckshop ari kupwanywa, everything, izvo zvikuru kunaya, ma-properties ari kunaya. That is the message yaMudhara. Endai mundoudza vanhu. Secondly, Chamisa akagona akabuda muCCC because akapotsa afira. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe, but I believe that God is in control.